Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the 11th lecture of Important Reports and Indices series. This series is very much useful for RBI Grade B, NABARD Grade A and SEBI Grade A examination 2020. In our 11th lecture, we will be discussing EAGE 2.0 Banking Reform Index. EAGE stands for Enhanced Access and Service Excellence. This report talks about the health of public sector banks in India. So this is very much important for overall banking industries. Recently, Finance Ministry has released Enhanced Access and Service Excellence 2.0 Banking Reform Index. This index talks about the performance of public sector banks from March 2018 to 2020. And the top performing banks have been awarded by the Finance Ministry. This agenda was first launched in January 2018 by Government of India and Public Sector Bank. This point to be remembered, it can be asked in the examination. This index is commissioned through Indian Banks Association and it has been authored by Boston Consulting Group. This is another important point, must be remembered, it can be asked in the examination. The aim of this EAGE agenda is to institutionalize clean and smart banking. The CLEAN stands for clean credit, leveraging data, ensuring accountability, action against defaulters and NPA recovery. So basically, while giving the loan, no loophole will be there. Data will be used for important banking operations. Accountability will be there. NPAs will be recovered and action must be taken against the defaulters. Another term is smart banking, that is speedy, multi-channel reach, accessible and affordable, responsive banking and technologically enhanced. So basically technology will be used, it will speed up the banking processes, multiple channel will be there to avail the banking services, it will be easily accessible and affordable for the general public and banks will be responsive. In this index, the PSUs have been measured on 1 plus 20 objective matrix. So that is also very important. And this is EAGE 2.0. In EAGE 1.0, the focus was on non-performing assets. And we have seen that there is a significant improvement in NPAs in past 2 years. In February 2020, Government of India has launched EAGE 3.0 for 2020 and 2021. In this, the focus is smart and tech-enabled banking. So these are the important points for each banking reforms index. You must be remember these important points. If you are preparing for SEBI Grade A examination 2020, you can follow this three-tier approach. First, you have to read the notes and watch the videos. Then you can practice topic-wise questions. Then live doubt session will be organized. And this three-tier approach has been followed in our course SEBI Grade A 2020 crash course and comprehensive course for SEBI Grade A 2020. Currently, we are running a discount of 40%. You can use the coupon code SEBI and this discount is valid till 24th September. So you can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to these important courses. We have courses for NABARD and RBI Grade B as well. Let us understand the EAGE 2.0. The EAGE 2.0 basically based on the foundation of EAGE 1.0 and it introduces a new reform action points on 6 themes. These themes are responsible banking, customer responsiveness, credit offtake, public sector bank as Udyami Mitra. It is a portal by SEBI for credit to MSME. The fifth theme is financial inclusion and digitalization. The sixth theme is governance and HR. So these are the important themes. Question can be asked, which of the following is not the theme of EAGE 2.0? So basically you have to remember all these important 6 themes. Let us see the performance of public sector banks in EAGE 2.0. The overall score of banks increased by 37% between March 2019 and March 2020. In March 2019, the score was 49.2, but in March 2020, the score was 67.4. It is a significant improvement. The top 3 banks was Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, and Oriental Bank of Commerce. If you will see in terms of digital banking, nearly 4 crore active customers are there on mobile and internet banking. 50% of total financial transaction happen through digital channels. That is also very important. Banks have worked on customer services as well. The number of call centers increased and 13 regional languages customer service center are there. So that is also a great improvement in terms of responsiveness. Doorstep banking supported by 75,000 plus bank mitras. That is also a significant improvement. Now the loan time has been reduced from 30 days to 10 days and it is for retail loans. So you can see the improvement here also. NPA has also reduced. In March 2018, the NPA was 8.96 lakh, but in March 2020, the NPA for public sector banks were 6.78 lakhs. So that is also a great improvement. There has been decline in fraud also. Earlier, from 2010 to 2014, the fraud percentage was 0.65% and now it is only 0.06%. So that is also very important. Total money recovered between 2019 and 20 is 2.7 lakh crore. So that is also a great improvement in overall performance. So this is the performance of public sector banks in each 2.0 banking reforms index. This chart talks about the top 3 banks in each theme. In overall theme, we have just discussed Bank of Baroda is on top, then State Bank of India, and then Oriental Bank of Commerce. If you will see in terms of responsible banking, Bank of Baroda again on top, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank. If you will see in terms of digitalization and financial inclusion, Bank of Baroda is on top, Canara Bank and Punjab National Bank. If you will see in terms of governance and HR, State Bank of India is on top, Bank of Baroda is on second position, then Punjab National Bank. So this chart you can see, you don't have to remember, you just have to remember the overall performance for top 3 banks. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If you have enjoyed the lecture, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.